Let's be honest. You want to build an Amazon publishing business, but you don't want to spend months writing books, researching niches, formatting manuscripts, designing covers, and figuring out complicated publishing systems. And maybe you've asked yourself, can AI really do this? Is it legitimate? Is it worth the money? Here's the big difference. KDPilot is built specifically for Amazon publishing. It researches profitable niches, helps create the book, formats it, prepares publishing assets, and streamlines the process for Kindle, print on demand, and even audiobooks. No jumping between 5 different tools, no endless technical headaches. And you don't have to be an experienced author to get started. Beginners can use it, marketers can use it, agencies can use it with commercial rights. And if you're serious about building a publishing catalogue, that changes the game. Less busy work, more publishing, more opportunity. Don't buy because of hype. Look at the workflow. Look at the features. Decide for yourself. To know all about KDPilot, visit theproductoasis.com and look up KDPilot, or follow the link in the description below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to the channel.